Stop hunting for competitors. Let AI find them for you. AI Discovery scans the web to find stores selling the same products as you and surfaces them as suggestions ready to approve. Set it up under Settings in Discovery and Automatch. Keep the Discovery service on automatic and choose which fields Pricefy matches on. Title plus code works best. To run it yourself, click Launch Full Catalog Discovery. Check the catalog product codes tile. The more products with a valid code, the better the matches, then launch. When Discovery finishes, new competitor suggestions are ready. Open them from the Suggestions column, review each match, and approve the good ones. Every approval becomes a monitored URL that Pricefy tracks from then on. With Automatic on, Pricefy keeps finding fresh competitors in the background. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@price-fy.io.